My name is Yael Saranga. I'm a printmaking artist. I live in Mazkeret Batya, Israel. I would like to present my work, The Tenant of Wildfell Hall, for which I won the third prize at the 2020 AIDA International Print Contest. This work is devoted to Brontë, a radical, courageous, very much a feminist, and committed novelist at the Victorian time. Brontë was determined to change people's mind and encourage women to leave behind abusive relationships. She wished to make the world better, which I find very moving and inspiring. I created this print using the reduction linocut technique. The image is composed of 5 elements. First, a Romanesque-style picture frame represents a family and a home. Second, the background looks like a net blocking bars and a mental state of the woman's restless desperation and frustration. Third, the male black silhouette figure is a classic Victorian style, represents his tough personality and the darkness suppressing the woman's voice. Fourth, the bars closing on the woman are taken from the man's black silhouette, imposing his authority on her. Fifth, the woman is reduced and looks small next to the man. Her changing colors indicate her desire and aspiration to change the situation, to break free from her fate. Thank you.